Really much looking forward for the interim WBA World Flyweight title fight between Jonathan Gonzalez and Abraham Perez. Gonzalez is in good shape now. This left-handed La Bomba is 5'2", 62 inches of reach out of Caguas, Puerto Rico. He lost to Anthony Lascuaga, but defeated Renan Santiago, Yanquiel Rivera, Shokichi Iwata, Marc Anthony Barriga, Elvin Soto, Armando Torres, Saul Juarez, lost to Kosei Tanaka, but I think against Abraham Perez it's gonna be a close fight. Perez is known for that nasty uppercut, but this isn't gonna land on a left-handed fella, and I have a feeling that this fighter out of Albuquerque, Mexico, is going to give him a hard time, and I'm thinking over 8.5 going to be pretty much of a decent call. But if I must pick a side, I think La Bomba is going to win, and I have a feeling that Jonathan Gonzalez is going to drag this bout into deep waters and win a decision, but I'm gonna say over 8.5 as an official call.